So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my skincare routine, and then I will be unboxing the makeups that I bought from Shopee. Forgive me guys for not uploading that much lately because I've been dealing with some personal problems, but I hope you guys don't mind it and would still support me. So first, I will be moisturizing my body using this Nivea whitening lotion. So I use this particular moisturizer or lotion mostly on my neck and my hands because it has SPF, and I rarely put some sunscreen on my neck, and of course we cannot always forget the hands. Next, I will put lotion on my body. So I use this hel frae lotion with vitamins as my lotion for my body. So I will just smoothly spread it all throughout my arms, legs, and just general my whole body. Next is my face. So I will be using this toner, the Glow Up Toner Essence by Eye White. So I'm just able to buy them in sachet, but I've been always using Eye White products ever since when I was in grade 8. So I'll just gently spread the essence all throughout my face, and then I will be massaging it a little bit because it'll help you. I'm not sure if it's true, but I think it'll help for the serum to get absorbed by your skin. Then next, sampal-sampalin nyo lang yung sarili nyo hanggang magising kayo sa katotohanan, hanggang gumanda kayo. And then next, I will be using this Eye White again Aqua Moisturizer. Ito talaga, I've been using this ever since when I was in grade 8 because I was dealing with a very severe acne. So I decided to just take on one brand products, and I've been devoted on using Eye White products ever since. And then gently slap your face again because that's what beauty culture have taught us, slapping your face even though we don't know what's the effect of it. And then I will be using this Tinted Sunscreen by Bello on my face. And don't judge me guys because I'm also gonna be using this as my primer. I'm broke, so we have no choice. So I'll just be putting a little bit on my forehead and on my eye bags, and then I will just gently spread it all throughout my face. Then after that, I will just gently massage my face and my cheeks, my nose, and then after that, magmaganda kayo kasi may effect din yun. And then after that, I'll be using this what the fuck is that name? I don't know what the brand is pronounced. Ayan, basta yun na yun, kung ano man napabasa nyo. And then after that, amuyin nyo kasi malay nyo may lason kahit na bago yan. Charot, tawa-tawa siya, parang adik ang puta. And then put it on your lips. Ayan, balik nyo ulit. By the way, this oh, ang bilis. Ayun, bigay pala ng ate ko yon. And then ito din, my sister also gave me this serum. I don't know what's the effect of this serum, but I'll also be using this for the video even though she just gave it to me. And then I will just spread it on my face, and then sampal hanggang sa maubos na kayo ng hininga. Next is the unboxing of the makeups that I bought from Shopee. So all of the brands that I will be using is from FOCALLURE. I'll be linking all the links of the products on the description box. So if you guys wanna buy some, or if you guys wanna try, or if you're just curious and wanna see the product description, I will just be leaving some links on the description box. Click nyo lang doon. Huwag kayo mag-click sa iba kasi sasakalin ko kayo. Hindi ako kikita doon. So ayun, nadadalda lang ako. Wait lang. Trim lang natin yan. So, ayun, ang ating unang papremyo ay ang, ano pangalan yan? May binabasa pa nyo. Ang Saginews Liquid Eyeliner. Ayan. It is my very first time that I will be wearing a liquid eyeliner on my eyes or on my lids, whatever you call it. Basta yun, first time ko lang siyang magagamit or first time ko pa lang magagawa ang bagay na ito na I don't know kung ikakapahama ko ba, basta yun na yun. So ayan, first time ko lang. Daldal ko, gosh, hindi ko talaga alam pinagsasabi ko dito eh. Bale, nag-voice over lang din ako guys kasi ang ingay ng background, walang hiya, nanganganak pa yung aso namin. So ayun, napagdesisyonan ko na mag-voice over na lang. Kahit weird. And then, next we have the, ano ba, bilisan mo. YYDS. What the heck? Ayan, basta ano yan. Ano bang tawag dyan? Eyeshadows. Next nating papremyo is girl, ang bagal. Ang pakadaldal ko talaga. Trim na natin yan. Ay, wag na pala. Ayan, binabasa na niya. Ayan. Kung ano man yan. Foundation yan. FOCALLURE foundation. Ayan. Ganyan yung itsura niya, guys. Tada! Diba? Ang lakas maka-beauty guru ang peg. Next. Tagal po, basa-basa pa. Yan, Stagineus. I don't know what the fuck is this. Ano yun? Wala si Okla, hindi mo lang pinakita. Hindi ko maalala eh. Wait. What the heck? This one is powder, setting powder. Actually, what I am saying here is that I've used this product before and I decided to buy one again because I love how it sets on my face, or I love how the makeup sits on my face when I use this powder. Wala, yun na tumigil ang voiceover, hayop. So, yung nauna bago sa setting powder is concealer pala. So, ayan, bubuksan na natin siya. Ang ating eyeshadow. Ayan, kung ano-ano pang pinagsasabi niya dyan. Ayun pala, ang hirap din buksan ng mga balot nitong Eglabong FOCALLURE products. So the packaging for me is 7 out of 10 because yeah, it looks nice but it's hard to open. So this is what shock na shock yarn. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. I really love it because it looks very minimal, very compact and very easy to handle. Also, I really love the glitter. I don't know what it's called, but I will call it glitter. So I got it in the shade of number 202. I really had to check it on my order details. So, ayan. Let's now remove the plastic. So, for the packaging of this one, I'll give it for like on 10 out of 10. I will give it like 7 again because, you know, the packaging is really nice. It actually has glimmers or like, I don't know what it's called. I don't know how to explain it but it's like it has a rainbow on it. It's so amazing. But yeah, the same problem is the packaging is really hard to open. You really have to put effort to just open the box, or it's either you carefully open it or you will have no other choice but to just rip off the, like what I'm doing right now, ripping off the box, so just you'll get the product inside. So yeah, this is just a clip of me struggling to open the box because it's really hard to open it. I don't know why or what design did FOCALLURE did to their products, but it's really hard to open. I want to ask for apology again because I was really supposed to be talking on this video, but I have no other choice but to do a voiceover because the background noise is really loud and you can literally hear everything from cars to rooster, the chicken, or the puppies that are crying because our dog just gave birth. So there, I'm just trying to see what it looks like. I don't even know why is it like that, but I think it's supposed to have a little straw so that the squeezer, the pump, is able to get some foundation from the bottom of the bottle. So I think this product is damaged or there's some problem with it. So moving on with the concealer, it is the Saginews Concealer. I got it in a shade of, wait, let me just check again. Wait lang. I got it in a shade of number 1. So now I'm removing the plastic again. Let me just fast forward it. So this is what it looks like, the Saginews Concealer of FOCALLURE. Now let's just try to see if its coverage or pigment is nice. So I got the lightest shade on purpose because mostly I will be using it for my eye bags, of course, to conceal my dark areas on my face and also to conceal the acne marks or acne scars that I have around my face. So as you guys can see, the concealer is very pigmented, so I really love it. I guess it'll be really nice to wear on my skin. I now feel more confident because I know and I have seen that this concealer is perfect for me. So next is the eyeliner, guys. So as I said, this will be the very first time that I will be wearing a liquid eyeliner. So I was really praying so hard that I don't mess with it. Now let's try it now. So I will be applying it above on the concealer that I put just a moment ago. I was really nervous about the idea of putting liquid eyeliner, because I've tried it before. I wasn't really good at putting liquid eyeliner on myself, but today I will be trying it again, and I'm so happy that I will be doing it on this video. So the next product is the setting powder for makeup. So as I said earlier, I have used this product before and I really love it. That's why I invested the money to buy it again. Actually, the the one that I used before is from my sister. She just gave it to me and I really loved it. That's why I bought one again. So this is what it looks like. It's just a very small container filled with powder. And opening it, it comes with this cute little fluffy stuff inside that I also use to spread the powder on my face. So that's all the products, and now let's proceed to putting on makeup. So I started on applying the foundation on my face. I put foundation on my forehead, on my cheeks, and on my chin. And then for my eye bags, I use the concealer. And then I apply a little bit of concealer on my nose, on the bridge of my nose, because you know I kind of want to make it look like I am wearing contour when I really am not. It's also nice to highlight your nose because it'll look more sharper than what it really is. So I will be using this old sponge of mine to blend the concealer and the foundation all around my face. So to blend it, of course, I will be needing a mirror. So I took this old Sassy foundation and I will be using its mirror to blend my foundation and concealer. So to cover up my acne scars, I put some concealers on top of it, and then I will be blending it once again, or maybe twice if they're still very visible in the light. And I also put some concealers on the mustache area because, of course, we don't want to be looking like bukayo. So ayan, the only way that I blend it is I only dab it on my skin. I never smudge it with the sponge, or I never do the slide motion because it will really mess up with the foundation. It will look cakey. Next is I put some foundation on my neck because of course hindi naman pwede yung maputi yung mukha natin tapos yung leg natin ewan, diba? So, ayan. Ayun na po yung mukhang espasol. So, what I did is, I put foundation on my neck also. Don't judge me for using same brush on my neck. Because I don't have any others brush. I don't have any other makeup sponge. I'm sorry. So, that's all, I guess. And that's the power of the foundation. So next, I will be setting the foundation with the setting powder. So I will just be dabbing it again all over my skin. So hindi ko alam kung anong pinagdadaldal ko dyan kasi nakamute na yung video. So to shorten the video, I will be trimming it again kasi I'm also already sleepy. Idea how did this video get into 1 hour. Imagine, ganun ako kadaldal. Just for this video. Ayun, matching pa. So, ayan, let's trim it na. So, at first, I tried using the cute little fluffy thing, but I changed my mind because the setting powder is not blending on my skin or on the top of the foundation, and it's making this weird boxes kasi nga dahil dun sa container niya. So I just decided to use the sponge again to blend the setting powder. I learned this makeup tip from Lauren Gray, where she never let the setting powder sit on her face. So her trick is, once the setting powder have touched her skin, she will already blend it. But I don't know if that trick works in general, but for me, it works. So this is what foundation looks like now. I just kept on blending it. I just kept on blending it on my face and on my neck. So that's how I do my everyday concealer. And yeah, I never go out without foundation, especially when there's a very special occasion. So the next thing that I will be doing after I've done my foundation is I will put on my brows. So I will be using this Nichido duo eyebrows. Actually, a special someone bought me this, and it has a free tweezers on it, but what I always use is this brush. And for my eyelashes, I'll be using this BLK Cosmetics mascara. So yeah, that's it. And then after I've put a first layer of mascara on my eyelashes, I'll be using this clear mascara on my brows just to make the shape of my brows very more prominent. And then after that, I will be applying the liquid mascara. So that's me getting crazy about it. So before everything else, I will first put on a first layer of eyeshadow on my lids, but I cannot do it in the front of the camera, so I will be doing it on the mirror. So that's what it looks like. I haven't put the eyeliners, but I already think that it kind of looks good. And girl, the smell, it's so wonderful. So the highlight of this video is me applying eyeliner. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna do it in front of the camera, so I also did it on the mirror. I felt very uncomfortable at first, but I gave myself a little bit of time, and I think it's nice. So I think it's not really that bad, and I actually really did a great job about this. I'm really happy about this. The result is brilliant for me, but for the others, of course, it doesn't look nice. But for me, I am proud of myself because I made it look so fantastic. And next I will be applying the eyebrows. So I am applying the eyebrows now. Don't judge me, guys, if you guys see that my eyebrows is not symmetrical, because my face isn't really symmetrical, and I am born with my eyebrows that doesn't look nice or is not straight at all. And I don't know why, but the other side of my eyebrows is like curved and upper and higher than the other one. I mean, just like what you guys are seeing on this video. So guys, I'll just fast forward the rest of the eyebrow applying because this video is really long. I don't know why, but I am happy about it because I was able to put on makeup and glam myself that day. I mean, the day that I filmed this video. I was really surprised of the outcome of my work or my makeup today. For me, I really did a great job. I don't know if you guys like it. Comment down below if you guys love it, because me, I really love it. Especially the eyeliners. I didn't really expect them to turn out like that, but I guess they are perfect. Next is I decided to put some eyeshadows under my eyes just to put some a little bit of colors and make my eyes pop even more, and also to highlight my pim. Then I put some shimmers on the bottom of my lid just to, put some glimmering things on my eyes that I think really made it really look even more better. If you guys can see it, I'm really glad about it, you guys. I'm really happy on this day because I felt like I did a really best. I really did my best, I mean. Next is applying contour on my nose. Just to highlight my nose and make it look matangos, even though I'm really not matangos. Kasi yung ilong ko borga. Ganon. So, ayan. This is what I call hiding my insecurities. Next is applying the clear mascara on my brows so that, my brows look more neat and tidy. So next is applying the mascara, guys. I will be using the BLK Cosmetics again. I actually do 3 layers of it so that my eyelashes looks more bushy, or it doesn't look thin at all, and it will also complement the eyelids. And sometimes I do this trick where I put a lot of mascara so that it looks like I am wearing a liquid eyeliner or an eyeliner. So I am teaching you guys that you guys should first use the mascara on the bottom before you guys start to brush it all along on your eyelashes. So I'll fast forward it guys again because this video is getting really long. So that's the lashes, guys. I hope you guys can see the difference or the change or the transition from thin eyelashes to the bushy eyelashes. I don't know the term, but I will call it bushy. So you guys don't judge me, okay? And then next, to finish up my makeup, ano yun sis? Nagagawa mo. To finish up my makeup, I will be putting on lip tint by, I don't know what the lip tint is called. Oh, Sugar Dolls. Sugar Dolls lip tint. I don't know the shade of it, but it's nice. I love it. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys loved it because I really love it. That's the finished product. Man, nangungulangot pa. Ayun. Then, malandi lang. And then after that, I will be changing my clothes because we will be going to Gilmer again. We will be doing some errands. So these are the clips that I was really so fascinated on my eyeliner. I was really happy because this is actually the very first time that I applied an eyeliner to myself. That's why it really means a lot to me.